partida hindi pa raw tayo lumalabas sa FYP nila. Sabi nila, it's weird. That's the weirdest thing. Sabi ni Vukom sa akin, that's how he said it. I quote, that's the weirdest thing. I don't see your videos until I visit your profiles, your pages. Sabi niya gano'n. It's the weirdest thing. Sabi niya gano'n. Pero sabi ko, wala eh. The algorithm is different because we speak our language there in the Philippines. So, it's not gonna be particularly for your FYP. Yeah, it's
Hindi lalabas talaga.
Diba? So, parang buti nga na-recognize pa rin tayo at saka na-respect pa rin tayo.
Yung respect pa rin dun.
Siguro proud din sila kasi syempre, konti lang naman gumagawa ng ginagawa niya.
Actually, tayo lang. Next to Vukom and yung mga nasa tayo lang sa buong mundo ang gumagawa ng ginagawa na talagang nag-boom. Si Vukom pare, natuwa siya dun sa rig namin. So sinad namin.
Oo nga.
Sabi niya, they'll
Saan?
also have
Sorry?
rig. Yung
Okay.
vlog. Kasi sabi niya, look at these guys, they're just using iPhone. Eh sila, naka-full frame sila na camera, di ba? Pero ako rin, nagandaan din ako sa nila. So sabi ko, gayahin din natin, try natin yung ganun. So we learn from each other. Galing, ganda.
Experience.
Experience with the New York was fascinating. Lahat kami natuwa.